Here's how to add a profile on Hulu, whether you are on the website, mobile version or TV. Each of them has 3 or 4 steps. So first on the website, hover over the name in the top right corner of the page and click Manage Profiles. Then click plus to add a profile and fill out the required fields and then click Create Profile. Now on mobile, tap the account icon, then select your name to open the profiles page, tap plus New Profile, and again fill out the required information and then tap the Create Profile button. Now finally on TV, select plus New Profile from the profile screen when you first open the app, and then if you're already in the app, go to Account, Profiles plus New Profile, and then enter the required information and again select Create Profile. That's all you need to do to create a profile on Hulu on each device where it is possible. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.